Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new iPad Pro, the 11-inch model. What more can we say? Let's jump into it. So I finally have one of these in my hands. This is the all-new iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch. You see that beautiful liquid retina display on the front. Let's get that turned back on. Now, well, this tablet is all screen now. There are no home buttons, no physical button on it other than the power button up top and the volume rockers on the side. Those are the only physical buttons that are on here now. No home button. Everything's been done away with. We are now operating with Face ID. So it is, as you can see, it's unlocked. I've looked at the screen, it's unlocked. Let's do it again. There we go. In real time. You have all your sensors right up top, just like on your iPhone. Now, the cool thing about this is it now comes in 4 different memory sizes. So you have your 64 gig, your 256, your 512, and it even comes in 1 terabyte, which I would never need a terabyte. So that's going to be your only difference, and then your price point. So these start out at $799 and they go up to about $1,200 depending on your flavor. This is the 11-inch, like I said earlier. It also comes in 12-inch, and that one is just as beautiful as this one is. Here you're getting a full screen display, almost edge to edge screen. They're measuring 11 inches diagonally. Now, the cool thing about this is you all are now operating on gestures. So everything is swipe of a button. They've also brought over your animojis. So with your animojis, you want to send something. There we go. You got your different animojis. As you can see, it's moving right there. If you can see my mouth moving, it's moving with me. It's picking up, and I'm holding this a good bit from my face, and it's picking up everything that I'm doing. So kudos to Apple for being able to figure that out and pack all of this into this device. Now, we're also running the A12 Bionic Chip. That processor is going to be one of the fastest ones that they've had, and it's allowing us to do a lot of multitasking things, like if you got YouTube open and say you want to open up something else, you're gonna drag and drop, boom, got that open. You got notes, you got YouTube, pretty much. And you can also do FaceTime while doing all of these things. Like we said, really vibrant screen, vibrant display, packing iOS 12. We still got our swipe down menu right here. Brightness, you have the True Tone option as well, so it's not as bright on your eyes. And basically that's it. Now you can pair this with several things. We have the Apple Pencil. I do not have the keyboard case, but the keyboard case is going to run you $179. The Apple Pencil is now $129, but the cool thing about the new Apple Pencil is magnetically sticks, and you get the notification saying that the Apple Pencil is there and it is charging. Now, your old school Apple Pencil will no longer work with this device. This pencil will not work with this new set of tablets just because it does not have the magnetic feature. The magnetic feature is what pairs the pencil to this device. So if you have one of these, it is now obsolete for this device. So Apple knows how to go ahead and get your 120 or get your $100 again for this device. Reason being is this device used to sync by use of this lightning adapter on the back when you remove the top. So as we can see, we are charging now through USB Type-C. It's right here. You got speaker grills at the bottom. You got speaker grills at the top now. Like I said, the only physical buttons that you're going to have, 1 and 2, and number 3 up here. Now, what is in the box with this thing? Let's check this out. So in the box, we have our made in Cupertino leaflet with all our Apple stuff that nobody needs to read because Apple is the same year in and year out. A few different features, that's it. But we do get a charging brick, and I'm going to be testing these charging bricks out because you notice they have changed. Since it is now USB Type-C, I'm hoping that the charging will be a little bit faster, but I'm going to test it out against the old charging brick on the old tablet, just to see which one is actually fastest. But you get a cool little USB Type-C cable. Now it is C to C, not USB to C. And then we get this brick right here. So that's all that you get in the box, but it's wrapped up pretty neat, pretty nice. You know how Apple always does it. We really appreciate the way that they take time and do all these things. We have been able to integrate different features. Like we said, we've added Face ID. We have Animojis. We have the new Apple Pencil right here. We got the magnetic click. We got the OK to go. It lets you know the Apple Pencil is connected and ready to go. We have 4 different storage sizes. We got 64, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. We know that this old Apple Pencil will not work, and I don't think that these tips are removable now. They did not give me one in the box. So this box only had the pencil and paper in it. That's it. No extra tips, no nothing. But hopefully the tip doesn't wear out or break. Either way, we got Apple Care for that. It's not very heavy. It's about a little bit over a pound. It doesn't weigh that much. It's really light, really easy to use. Only thing I don't like is the fingerprints, but the space gray is dope. I like the space gray color. Like I said, I do not have the keyboard to go with this, but I tried it out in the store. The keyboard is awesome, very magnetic, covers the front, covers the back. It's going to allow you to have everything that you need right at your fingertips. Like I said, you got your magnet right here. You have 3 microphones. They sit up top. You got your speakers all the way around for surround sound. 11-inch display. A12 Bionic Chip or the A12X Bionic Chip. Got a 12 megapixel camera on back. Now pictures look pretty good with this. I gotta say they are pretty sharp. I'm gonna do a comparison with that in a few days or so and see how that works. It does 4K recording, 1080p recording, 720 recording, 7 megapixels on the front. It does front facing portrait mode. Now you do not have a rear facing portrait mode, but you do get front facing portrait mode. And in your camera you also have slow-mo and time-lapse as options. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty solid device. I'm really liking the colors, how vibrant they are. So Face ID is on point. Like I said, what can you say? It's Apple through and through. They do things that no other companies can do right now. Well, this has been out for a little while because other companies have stylus that attach to their tablets, but I'm not sure if they pair or charge through that avenue. But I digress on that. It's a solid tablet though. I've been using it for a few days, have not killed the battery yet. It's giving me all day battery life. I'm enjoying it. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm gonna be sure and try to get back with everyone who, asked a question or see if I can help you out. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this helps someone, and be sure and give me that thumbs up. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.